SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to delete a Bluetooth device on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If your list of connected Bluetooth devices is getting out of control, then it can be a good idea to delete some of the ones that you don't use anymore. You can delete a Bluetooth device from your iPhone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Bluetooth option, and then you just need to tap the Info button to the right of the Bluetooth device that you want to delete. You can then look for the Forget This Device option, and you can tap that button, and then you can tap Forget Device again to confirm that you would like to remove this Bluetooth device from your iPhone. If it's something like AirPods, then you can also choose to forget that device and remove it from all of the devices signed into your iCloud account.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.